Hello, this is Ann Parsons, and today I am going to show you how to quickly create a formula in Crystal Report Writer, and this is intended for users that are not as familiar with Crystal syntax in formulas and so on, and hopefully this will help you move along with your formulas. So I have a custom report that I've created here, and what I would do first is I would go to my Select Expert and select Record. And then I find the record that I'm trying to create the formula for. And what I would do is select that record. And let's say it is a date range that I'm trying to achieve this formula for. So I'm going to just put in the status date and click OK. And then here is where I would put in what I'm trying to find in that syntax for the formula that I'm creating. So let's say it's going to be a date range. So I'm going to select is between, and then here I would put in my date range, and I'm just going to put in some dummy data here. So there it is, and then I would just click Tab and then open up my formula editor. And there I have the syntax that I need for a date range. So what I would do is I would copy it and then close out of my Select Expert. I'm not going to save it because I don't want it as part of my general selection for the actual report. I just want it in my formula. And then I would go over to my Field Explorer and create a new formula. So select on my formula fields, select a new formula, and then give it a title. So let's say this is going to be status date range. And you can call your formulas whatever you wish. Click OK, and then I'm going to paste that syntax in here. So there you have what is needed for that syntax. Now bear in mind that this is Crystal syntax. There is also the ability to use basic syntax, but what you're using by doing it this way is the Crystal syntax. You can then expand on this formula if you needed to say and something, or if there was some kind of criteria, you could start the formula off with if there was some kind of other selection that formula was performing. And that is how you would quickly create a formula and have the syntax that you need for that. I hope that helps you. Thank you, and have a great day.